Hi y'all, Sandy, the Kentucky Crafter. Welcome back to my channel. And guys, I never heard from the winner, Sherry, so I have to pick another winner. And I did the comment picker again, and the winner is Rachel Phelps. And her comment, this is a very cute journal for 2022. I love all the pictures and the extras that you get in it. Very nice. So Rachel, congratulations. And leave a comment down below that you saw this video, and then you can email me your mailing address, and I will get this out into the mail to you pronto. All right, thanks you all, and just remember that I have a giveaway coming up when I hit 750 subscribers, and also another one at 1,000. I'm collecting the items for the 750 giveaway now. And then I'm toying with the idea of giving away one of my journals that I make for the 1,000 subscriber, plus some other little goodies as well. So stay tuned for that, and then just continue to check out my existing videos. And I have a whole bunch more coming. So thank you all. Y'all have a great evening. And Rachel, I look forward to hearing from you. Bye, everybody. See y'all on the next video.